This is the Aquacooler bottle cooler assembly line. Here the technician's putting together drinking water coolers. As they come down the line, he's charging it with refrigerant gas, evacuating it, and testing it for electrical conductivity. Aquacooler has the capability of producing upwards of 20,000 coolers along this production line, with 7 men manning the stations. After the units have been charged with refrigerant gas, leak tested and tested for electrical conductivity, the units are assembled into the plastic shell. Once the units are fitted into the shell, they're simply moved along. This worker also does some sub-assembly on the shell, such as a cup dispenser holder, puts a leak point into the base, and drills the holes for the taps. The simplicity and the ease of assembly and serviceability of the Aquacooler products can be seen.